Okay, hey, we're back again, and we're gonna do just a little bit review. I want to a little bit of review before we do our page. So, if you remember these, we're going to reduce to the lowest. Now that you guys know how to do that, find the biggest number that you can divide both by to get to the smallest fraction to reduce. Okay, so it's never the first card. You know that, guys. Don't say the answer right now. Never the first card. Okay, ready? Good. Yeah, Zoe, I knew, because you're quick. You've been getting these all along. So good job, Zoe. Who's going to beat Zoe? And sorry, it looks like my hair is like, I look like my dog. Well, no, she's not Shaggy, but anyway. So let's see who can beat Zoe with these. Good. I think I heard you, Isabel. Excellent. Tougher one. Yes, very good. It's going to be 1/5 or 2/5, excuse me. Good. 1/3. Excellent. Yes, 1/4. What are you dividing both by? Both by 6. Excellent. 1/3. Good job, guys. You're getting this. I knew you would. Good. 1/4. We all know this one. Yep, 1/2. Everybody got that at the same time. 2/5. Very good. 1/2. Good. I know you know that one. Good. Zoe, I heard you. 1/4. Good. Good. 1/4 again. Excellent. What is that one? Yes. Yes, 2/3. What are you dividing it by? Both by 5. Good job. Whoops. 2/3 again. Good job. I think that was the last one. Yeah, because that's what we started with. Good, guys. I'm really proud of you. That was excellent. All right, now we're going to do just fraction of a whole. So listen and see who can answer first. 1/9 of 36 equals. Good. 4. 1/3 of 36. Good. 12. 1/2 of 20. Good. That's 10. 1/4 of 20. Excellent. 5. 1/3 of 18. Yes. Excellent. 6. 1/6 of 36. That's right. 6 again. 1/4 of 36. 9. Excellent. 1/5 of 20. Good. That's 4. 1/2 of 18. Good. 9. And 1/6 of 18 is 3. Excellent. Good job. All right. So page 253 and 254. The very first thing is story problems. So I really want you to look carefully, especially letter A. I want to see who can think this through and figure out what we need to do. So it says, Mr. Salazar drove 30 miles on Monday, twice as far on Tuesday as on Monday, and 3 times as far on Wednesday as on Monday. How many total miles did he drive on those 3 days? So we have to take what we know. We know that he drove 30 miles on Monday, but we don't know anything else. But when we use the information that we see in that story problem, that will help us. So if we know he drove 30 miles on Monday, what do we have to do to figure out how many miles he drove on Tuesday? Yes, good, because twice means 2 times. So we're multiplying that 30 by 2 to find out how many miles he drove on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, it tells you 3 times as many miles on Wednesday as on Monday. So we're using Monday's number again and 3 times that to figure out how many for Wednesday. Don't just put that as your answer though, because you have to add Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays in order to get your final answer. Okay, so does that help? There's going to be 3 things that you should have written in the box. You should have the answer for how you figured out Tuesdays, the answer for how you figured out Wednesdays, and the answer that is the total, figuring out the total for those. Good. All right, then letter B. Mrs. Williams had 27 feet of cloth. She used 3 yards of it. How many yards does she have left? So some of you are going to go, okay, 27 minus 3 equals. No. Why? Because feet and yards are 2 different measures. So what do we need to do to get them where they're about the same? We have to do, I heard some of you, yes, Elsie, I think I heard you, Ava, I think I heard you. We have to do a measurement problem, okay? So you have to do 27 feet, and then it says she used 3 yards, so what are we going to do with those 3 yards? Take them away, right? Minus 3 yards, but we want to find out how many yards she has left. So 27 feet minus 3 yards equals blank yards. And then you're going to work it out and figure out that answer. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense and you'll be doing really well with those. You know how to do section 2. That's what we were just doing on the board. Section 3, you've got 4, work carefully. These are the ones that we know them, but we get a little bit sloppy, so we don't get them totally correct. You know, we just did 5, think carefully. Go to the back of your book if you need to remember those measures of temperature. I'll try to do a video on those coming up soon so that we can remember those. Then you've got your back, which is very simple. Fractional parts, which we just did, reduce to the lowest. And then you're solving for the equation. And then write the missing terms in there. We're in our planet unit now, which is perfect for our galaxy theme in our classroom, even though we're not there. But the temperature on the planet Mercury ranges from 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day to 290 degrees below 0 at night. What a crazy fact that is. And then work on your brain booster. That's an easy one if you just look at it carefully, think about what it's asking. And then there's the homework section. I do want you to write down your 11 multiplication table for me, just so I know that you're practicing it, not just saying it, but also writing it. Because I do want you to say it every day like I've talked about. Turn back on that video with multiplication review with your 8 and 9, your 10 and 11, and just keep reviewing those, saying them as much as possible. Okay? So if you have any needs or questions, feel free to have mom or dad, or you can shoot me a message and let me know. But hopefully you'll do excellent on this page, and I'm sure you will. See you soon.